Masterack has over 50 years as industry leader, designing, engineering, and manufacturing highly customizable cargo management solutions for all sorts of fleets.
Masterack is one of the original upfit companies in the industry. We've been doing this for well over 50 years. We consider ourselves an industry leader in the design and manufacturing of commercial grade van and cargo management solutions. We're one of the few that actually design, engineer, and manufacture in-house right here in the United States in Social Circle, Georgia. Very high quality and durable products. That's the feedback that we continuously get from all of our customers. Highly configurable components based on best practice of multiple years of making these solutions for our customers, as well as a truly customizable solution because of my significant engineering in-house. Last, I believe one of the biggest advantages we have, we're a piece of a puzzle. Since the JB Pico, the John B. Poindexter family of companies bought us from Leggett & Platt a few years ago, it's allowing us to service, literally light commercial vehicles, class 1 vehicles, all the way through the product line. And that's an incredible and competitive advantage, in my opinion, that I want to make sure that makes our way to our customers. Well, as I mentioned earlier, I kind of feel like I've got a repository of packages. And again, when you've been around and you've been doing this for 50 years, you kind of got these packages that are constantly being updated with the best possible ideas from, let's face it, the fleet managers and end users of this stuff. I need you to think general services packages, HVAC packages, electrician packages, plumbing packages, etc. So in addition to all of these packages that I start with, I kind of configure those different modules, and I've got a fantastic in-house configurator that allows me to customize an exact package for someone. And Ted, I don't mind sharing with you that in-house engineering that I talked about a little bit earlier, that allows me to start from scratch. If somebody truly wants a fully customizable solution for the back of their van or pickup truck, I've got the capabilities to do that and then go build it in-house.